In this video we are going to explore the frame size options for intelligent framing within ZebraCut. In this example I have a 1.6 by 1.6 cutting machine, which is represented by this orange box here, and I have a number of parts, but the one of interest is this rectangle, which is almost the same length as our machine. If I go to preview this job, you'll see ZebraCut is currently wanting to cut it in two pieces, in two frames, which might be surprising. Now let us have a look into the framing options to find out why this might be. Framing options can be found under Job Config, and then you'll find Framing Config. The option of interest here is the frame length, which is a percentage of the length of your machine. By default this is set to 95%. And this is in order to ensure that all tools can reach all areas of your machine. Now you may think about the laser module or routing module, which is a bit wider, a bit deeper, and cannot reach quite as far back as the pen or knife tooling. Additionally, we need to leave a little bit of space on the frames in order to have a bit of overlap, which we discussed in an earlier video. So generally a figure of 95% is good. If however you are using only knife tooling or only pen tooling, you are welcome to increase this figure to 100%, and in that case you will then be able to cut this shape in one single frame. You can see here that rectangle fits entirely within frame 2. Also worth pointing out that you also have a frame 1 here, which is used to bring the rectangle to the front of the machine in order to be able to cut it across the entire length of the bed. Finally, worth pointing out, whenever we change these job config settings, I would recommend that you save them and then set them as the default, if you want them to be the options that you use going forwards. Hopefully that clears up a mystery and empowers you to explore using different frame lengths with intelligent framing within ZebraCut. Thank you very much.